What's up, everyone? It's KTG612 and we got Logan riding with us today, aka Wolverine. Okay, nobody calls him that, but yes, we're gonna start that today. All right, we just got some gas. All right, I got a nice short route that we're gonna do. We'll ride to the destination, grab something to eat, hold hands, get really close. That's what happens when you
sounds like a plan.
Yeah, ride with KTG. We might touch helmets. You don't sound like you liking this idea. No, I know it's a lot to take, and you know, initially, but it'll be fun. All right.
At least we can kind of rip now, though.
Yeah. Oh, he said we can rip a little bit. That sounds good. That sounds like an amazing, awesome idea. We might rip it a little bit here. We gonna rip it a little bit. I think what we'll do is we'll hit the scenic byway to Stillwater. I'm just excited to ride again. It's been in like the 40s lately. I thought I had to put the bike away. Yesterday it hit almost 80. Today it's gonna hit 70, 75 degrees, but it's really windy. I can feel the wind as we cross this bridge pushing me. I think where we're gonna be riding, there should be a lot of tree lines protecting us from the wind, so we should be fine. They're reporting it could be up to like 20 miles per hour wind, so I don't remember like that. It feels really nice right now with all my gear on. I'm just not wearing my leather pants because they're perforated, and I don't think that would help me too much. I mean, they're holy pants, I guess that would help, right? If you believe in God and you want holy pants, it would help. Yeah, it's windy. I'm tucking myself in a little bit. The last time Logan and I went riding, we had Ray with us, and he was still in his break-in stage with his CBR1000RR. It's a brand new one, a 2021, so we weren't able to rip it, so that's why I was kind of giddy when he was like, yeah, we can rip it this time. I'm like, all right, sounds good to me. I think this might be the last time we ride the bike. It's getting into late October. We'll be lucky if it doesn't snow in November. Oh, he looks comfortable and warm. I think the riding season kind of correlates with golfing season for us, like kind of like October, like after Halloween. Basically over for both. I mean, you could still do it, you can still golf, you can still ride, but at that point it's like you got to be really prepared as far as like what you're wearing. Who knows? I don't know. I wouldn't want to ride out in the winter. Are you still cold or are you warming up?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. My hands are sweaty. These gloves are like thick. We can rip it a little bit, right? That's what he said. We can rip it a little bit. Alright, this is the scenic byway. This is it right here. Yeah, I don't just like this route. I love it. I mean, it's just a mixture of curves and straightaway, and it rides you through a little town. I think you guys have seen this in other videos, maybe, if you watch my ish. And if you haven't, check out my ish.
Like the channel.
There's just all these leaves, so it's a thing. And that's what I'm talking about, the trees on both sides. So the wind isn't really affecting us. Later. He like slowed down in front of the Corvette and us, and then just like zoomed off. Mandela House? Adela? I don't know. Episcopal? Athens State Park. That's a pretty cool place. Been there one time. I think I will go again with the family. It was just me and Jana. So we'll go check it out. Do a nice family hike. Yeah, he's keeping up. I'm not going super fast or anything, but he's keeping up, so that's awesome. We're going a lot faster than we did last time we were riding. See, I'm gonna come down here and check out all this area. Look at all the bikers are here. Oh, yeah. Hey, we should go check that out. What do you think about checking that place out? No, we'll keep going. We need to get some sort of communications. I got my car though. He needs to get a car door or something. See, in this area you can feel the wind a little bit more. I ain't playing those games no more. If I can pass, I'm passing now. We're not messing around today. Feels good. Woo! I'm gonna say that a lot. That's gonna be the topic of this video, is feeling good. Feeling good, feeling great. Looking good, looking great. So we're gonna come along this scenic ass route. It's gonna look amazing on this next portion right here. Not these stoplights. After these stoplights. And after these stoplights. And after these trees. And after these trees. At some point there's going to be some water to the right. If my memory recollects. If I recall. There we go. That's the water that I was talking about. And we're going to be on this side of it. Right along St. Croix River. Or the people that don't know, the St. Croix. Oh, I'm going so fast. Oh, it read me. Oh, it read Logan. I don't know if it read my speed. I know that dude wasn't wearing a Packers shirt. I might have to go fight him. Just kidding. You guys like whatever team you like. Just know that the Vikings are the best. At some point we'll get back to the riverside, but for now we'll ride through this nice little town. I think it's like Bayport or Bay City, something, who knows? Oak Park Heights. I was totally off, but I think we're getting to Bayport or Bay City, one of the, I don't know, Bayport, I think. Don't quote me on that, but fact check me. Alright, we're in Stillwater. That's a fun cruise, the little St. Croix boat cruise, whatever it is, I don't know, St. Boat and Packet. I've been on the boat, but what's the packet? Is that the buffet? Is that what they call a buffet? A buffet? What time is it? It's only, it's so early? I don't know where I'm going. Oh no, what am I doing? What am I doing? Oh no. I don't know, why am I riding over here? Why did I just do that? I don't know. Hope no one saw me. It's kind of early. Alright, so my camera died and I have no footage of it. Logan, was it a good ride?
It was a great ride. Great.
But no one's gonna believe us. Somehow ended up at this place. Alright, we're gonna head back home now. Got under the hood. You want to race? The titles? You don't want none? You don't want none?
Climb the channel.
How can I be able to see it?
Subscribe.
Just subscribe.
Subscribe with the A turn.
Please subscribe. I'll be ratchet as hell. Don't judge me. My nails all.
Look for me. You about to be on there.
Okay.
Stay safe. Stay clean.
Subscribe right now. Give a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bells right now. Subscribe.
Subscribe to 612.